Hello, there are two different kinds of screws. 7 long ones on the top and 4 short ones on the bottom. There are plastic clips all around the bottom cover. It's good to use plastic plier for this job. Once you get one open, it gets easier. They go 4 screws holding the hinges. First thing to do is disconnect the battery power cable. Do not touch any other cables before that. Push up the clip and disconnect LCD cable. Disconnect Wi-Fi antenna cables. Now we can get the monitor off. This plastic strip comes off if you push it to the right. This plastic bezel is held by plastic clips and also double-sided tape around the screen sides. There you go. This monitor is held in by 2 screws on the top and 8 screws on the bottom. To open the cable, push up to metal click bar. This is 30-pin cable. Usually, 30-pin cables are used on up to full HD displays, and if it's better quality monitor, it might have 40 pins. So look out which kind of cable you have. Watch out to this one. It's tricky. It's probably best if you start pulling with your fingers and don't start twisting it around the screwdriver before it's out far enough. Gosh darn. How do we get the double-sided tape off now? Oh well, no worries. Let's just pry it open. If the same thing happens, just use a plastic prying tool and be careful.
Yes!
There we go. All right, let's see if we can do better with other one.
Fingers crossed.
Pull it real slow. That's it, Dad. Come on, come on, come on.
You can do it. Twist it, pull it, pop it.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Yes, I got the hinges loose. I got the hinges loose. Yoo-hoo!
Alright, time for the new monitor. This screen is purchased from laptoplcdscreen.co.uk.
Link in the description.
The screen is much better. This screen is IPS screen. The old one was TN. TN screens look really bad on angles. Be careful with this special double-sided tape. Once it touches anything, you cannot get it off. I made a little mistake. But no biggie. Let's add new double-sided tape to the bezel. Connect the cable to the new monitor. A piece of tape for safety. Reassemble the hinges.
Fresh!
Clip it back. Display is ready. Connect it back to the computer. A little piece of tape here as well. Two screws for each hinge. Reconnect Wi-Fi cables. Reconnect the power cable. This would be the best time to check if the monitor is working. I did not do that. Oh yeah,
It is ready.
it works. Yay! Now you can see the difference. That is before. And this is new display. Amazing. Okay.
Bye bye now.